Two things I can tell you with absolute certainty. One, juicing will change your life. And two, you do not need a $700 juicer to start juicing. If you were hesitant at all about juicing and you haven't started yet, like I was, then give me about 4 minutes and I'll unbox this thing, assemble it, make some juice, clean it, and give you my best beginner juicer tips, okay? So here we have the Qcen Juicer. I've been shopping around for a while. This is my second juicer. My first one I lost in the move, and as it turns out, this one is like the exact same juicer as the one I had, a different brand and different materials. I think this one's craftsmanship is better. The materials are better. The plastic feels more durable. The parts just get along better. I don't know how to explain it. There's an industrial sticker on top of the chute, so I don't want it to be unsightly. I want everything pretty and clean, so I got the Goo Gone and got it off. It's 5 main parts, as you can see. I'm being a lady and I'm rinsing it for you. Ordinarily, I'd probably just be an animal and rip it out of the box and let her rip, but 5 easy little pieces, I think, and they snap together really easily. That metal bar, you'll see in a second. But yeah, we got some carrots there, some celery. There's the chute shover. I don't know what you call that thing. A cleaver? I don't think that's it. But yeah, we're good to go. There's the cup that your juice goes into. It's like a measuring cup, but it has no measurements, which I don't care. I always eyeball everything anyway. That spout is how you lift everything out, okay? That juice spout where the juice comes out. And then, of course, the chute snaps into place, like really easy. And we're plugged in. So this happens to me a lot. I'm like, what's wrong with my juicer? And I panic. And then I realize, oh, that metal bar is a safety feature. It has to be locked and secured in place before the juicer will even turn on. It's just a preventive because you've got a powerful motor in there. It keeps everything from flying off and, you know, projectiling all over the kitchen. But now we're ready to juice. We got some celery. Let's go. It's just how you'd imagine it. Juice out one end, pulp out the other, shove it down the chute. It's pretty easy, pretty no drama. My son likes to watch it. He won't touch the juice with a 10-foot pole, but he loves watching it. It's so pretty to watch. It's cool. I finally got into juicing when I heard about the medical medium. I've done a lot of his juices and they're really cool. I've had really good results with them. I'll tag his book in this. So the first, oh, look at that beautiful carrot juice. Oh my gosh, stay focused. Okay. So the first big tip I can give you, rinse everything the second you're done. And then that's all you'll have to do. You won't have to scrub a thing. Look how gorgeous. That was carrot, apple, and ginger. And oh my gosh. So you rinse, and here's the other thing I was going to say. So see all that pulp that's collected up in the chute? I put that in the pulp basket before. I don't really just dump all that down my disposer. I like to give my disposer a break because roughage can be rough for real. I went to work one time and didn't wash my juicer like I'm telling you to. And when I came back, the celery had dried on there like concrete. It was crazy. I didn't know celery did that, but I guess I've seen grass do that before. I don't know, but it's so much easier to clean. If you let it dry on there, I swear it never feels like it will never feel clean again. Not to me. And it works better when it's just clean. You'll see. But the rinsing is just easy. You know, I'm telling you, you can get away with just rinsing almost every part. The only part you'll probably you will have to scrub is the filter basket or the mesh filter thing there that is actually where the juice is pushed through, and you want that clean and sharp anyway. But you see I'm watering down the pulp basket so that I can walk around and not have that turn into concrete sludge. You can do anything you want with that. But that carrot juice, man, I haven't really done that before, but that's going to get me off of candy. Boom, boom, boom. All the parts. Just like no drama, done. Nothing to be afraid of. I'm always really hesitant about these things. Look at that beautiful juice too. I don't even like celery, okay? But I have had too many benefits. I feel so young when I drink it. And when I'm drinking celery juice, everybody's drinking celery juice. I go around, water the plants. The pulp will kind of sit on the top there if you don't work it in. See, that's yesterday's carrot pulp. Ugh, looks kind of yucky on the grapefruit tree there. And here's our poinsettias. And then our little science experiment, our little zinnias. So, look, this is affordable. Buy this juicer, buy some fruit and vegetables, and just play around.